Peace. I can hear some noise.
Chief, what is it?
I can hear some noise.
Oh God, you are always hearing noises.
I can hear noise.
If cockroach changes its position, you hear it. When rat whispers to his wife, you hear. Help, Jeanette. Be gone and sleep. Sleep. There is no noise. Sleep, eh? Sleep. Yes, sleep. There is nothing. Sleep. Sleep.
Listen.
Yeah.
Listen.
Oh, Chief, is it not Iriti that is snoring? Chief Makabiko, leave me. Let me just sleep. Okay. Wait.
There are people in the house.
I said it. Wait.
What a way to take over my week. Yeah, on, Chicha. You fly back to your room now.
Wait now.
I go. Come in. The more, the merrier. Again.
Let us go and see what is happening.
You are ahead. You go.
So I am the one that should go and die, Abi?
Why not if not? After all, you were the one who heard the noises all this time. This kind of a thing. You let them steal and go.
My big friend, artificial yellow purple. Let these people, let them steal and go. Let us all go together. Are we not family? Everybody come back and let us go.
Me, I'm not going anywhere.
Let us go.
I'm not going anywhere.
But let's go and check this door for our baby.
But you guys are wicked though. See the way you all deceived by me.
What of you, but I love you. Those children picked from the rubbish dump. They don't have food to eat.
Look, a man has got to do what a man's got to do. It paid off, didn't it?
May the murder will not kill us in this house.
Grams,
Venezuelan grains in hot, soil, sassy, sweet.
Main brain grain, causing pain in my main brain.
You are talented, though. You should be a rapper.
He also has a talent of deceiving. If you saw the way he deceived Papa, Papa, our teacher flogged me at my back. Papa saw the stripes at his back that he used lipstick and eye pressing to me. And Papa truly believed him.
By his stripes, Papa was deceived.
Cause the stripes will make Papa flip to my wet skin.
Ignoramus, Harrod, Pepper, Terry, Terrific, Radio.
Wait. What about when Fati told Bami that they have government practical?
Get up, Spirit. What? What's the plan? Let us go and sort it out.
I have a plan.
Yeah, they were abusing me.
So let's talk it now. You want to work it out?
Your plan better be good.
Yes.
Your plan better be good.
Almost.
Who doesn't have a seat?
Wait. No. Before we eat, let us all recite our code of honor. Shall we? 1, 2, go.
If I disclose this secret to mommy or mommy, let me fall mugu to my children as mommy fell mugu to us.
Useless children from useless mothers. Imagine how they were abusing me and me.
Even me. A whole me.
Poor chief.
No. Those children are dead. I will kill all of them one by one. I will borrow all the cash cutlass. I will kill them all.
Calm down. If you don't meet these children with this anger, you will kill them all.
Why not? Look, I hope there is enough space in the compound to bury them.
If it's not wide enough, it will be deep.
Shut your mouth!
Shut it! Yes, shut it! Shut your mouth! Shut your mouth! Shut your mouth! Why you want chief to go and kill the children? Why? They are rude and mean.
They are rude and mean. Don't worry. You will soon have your twin and extra one leg. Then we shall know how to happen.
Ireti, if you are cooking good food that get ahead, not this experimentation you are doing, why would the children be afraid of you? Why?
Don't mind her. Don't mind her. Experimenter. Go, Chief. I have a plan.
What is your plan? I am hungry. What are we eating?
Oh, don't worry me. It's an Argentine delicacy called Batis Maradona noodles.
That should be very tasty. No,
You ready? What do we have inside this Basa Maradona because?
Senior, the main exotic delicacy is bass meat, garnished with the gizzard of a dog. Hey, I couldn't find any, so I used the gizzard of my old calf.
Look, go and serve my own. I can't wait. Children, are you not excited about this dinner? Have you? Aren't you going to eat?
Tomorrow. I will eat tomorrow, Mommy.
All right. They have gone.
I have told you now. Batis Maradona noodles.
You are trying me.
Hey, don't try him. Don't try me, Papa.
Ireti Ogini. Maybe we planned that you should cook a simple jollof rice and give it funny names so that the children won't eat. Which one is Maradona and Batistuta again?
Yeah. It is an Argentine delicacy.
But this one, my big friend, if you don't give me a food that has Nigerian name and color, my beg you for me. This one, look, don't joke with me now. Go and bring the food. I'm hungry.
I'm
hungry.
Don't try
I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Are you not hungry?
Me too, I'm hungry.
I'm always hungry. So what haze is in you?
I wonder whether they finished eating their bat and cat gizzard so that we can cook.
Abi. That's true. Ola, look. Go and check if Papa has finished it. Yeah? Come and tell us, eh? Hurry. She has gone to check if Papa has finished it. Papa,
Papa.
That's true now. Let's cook our own. Papa can hear us from there.
Yeah.
Let's do it. So we have foodstuffs now.
It's true.
So we have foodstuffs.
It's true. Wait, let me go and get them. Oh yeah, Lola, come.
Count your blessings, name them one by one. Hey, oh, don't worry, we hope you enjoy the food. Hey, are you sure? Oh, don't worry me, are you sure? Hey. Man, what about you? What? Are you enjoying the
This snake gizzard is so sweet.
The part meat is the sweetest. It is even sweeter than the gorilla eyeball.
Well, you ready? I will want more. I will want more.
I don't have it, don't worry.
It's
not my fault. My talent, so. Mom is my talent, so.
She has gone. So now let us go into the room and wait for them to come and pick their food stuff. Then we shall back them.
Then it will shell it.
Our foodstuffs are gone. Even our cooker.
Where did you keep them?
Under the bed now. Where else would I have kept them?
Wait, calm down.
In short, there must be a traitor among us here.
I don't know anything.
Told Papa about this thing. So yeah.
You better speak up if you are the one before I find out myself.
Bolaji.
I don't know.
How won't anybody know? This door was locked. So what happened? What happened now? I want to cook. I'm hungry.
Why didn't I just think it's my kitchen party?
So what do we do now? Hola.
It's in their monkey eyes and
Aha. I know something.
When did you two become Ola?
See, Mommy CP must have stolen our stove and our food stuff so as to force us to eat our culinary experiment.
Yes, no. That's true. And if possible, kill all of us off so that she and her babies can have Papa and this whole house to themselves.
You're going to the kitchen. You want to break down the kitchen door and eat all the food inside. Then you see. Even if you see a gorilla.
Meru, can you open the door?
What are you doing there?
Me, I'm not there.
Shut up.
I said, Bero, what are you doing by the door? Why are you all still up at this time of the day?
Bambi, we thought you were calling us.
Yes.
Who was calling you?
Papa, I forgot to put water in the fridge, so I just...
Come on, shut it up! Shut up there! You people refuse to eat your mommy Reggie's food. Then you sneak up here at night to cook your own food.
Me, I'm not a Mongo. Me too.
Shut up. You were there. You said bottom pot.
Am I there?
Yes.
Bami, I'm dying, no.
I will never cook for these children in this house again.
Come on, shut up! Do you think your parents will give you poison to eat? Eh? You think she will intentionally give you something that will kill you. She loves you. I eat whatever food she cooks, and I'm not dead yet.
We are your parents. We will never give you poison to eat, okay?
Yes, mommy.
Mommy, we're very sorry. All of us. Sorry.
Nonsense.
They have to apologize to me too.
Yes, apologize to your mommy lady now.
We are sorry.
Sorry.
Mommy Reti should cook. Mommy Reti should cook food that we can see and recognize. Not food that will give us heart attack.
Good talk.
Yeah, anytime you are in the kitchen, wahala always. Why?
Mommy, what's that supposed to mean? I don't like it.
Okay,
Hey. All right, I don't want that. Okay, everybody go to bed now. All we have is this Maradona Batistuta Prados. That's all we have. You want to eat that?
Mommy, where is it? I'll eat and wash the plate now.
I eat it. It is not cute.
I don't want anyone insulting me because they do not understand my culinary expertise and proficiency.
Yeah. So, everybody to bed. Go to bed. You will eat tomorrow. Oh, you will eat tomorrow morning. Go and sleep.
Let these children eat.
Peace. N-O. No. They have to suffer for what they have known. To bed.
Chief, please,
Peace. N-O.
Children, come on. You want that? Children, come on. You want that cuckoo? I will cook for them. Go in.
Wait. Is this the batties garnished with snake gizzard?
They lied though. It is ordinary jollof rice.
Exactly. The taste of the amala is in the eating, not in the whatever name it is called or the looks.
Wait. Let's get to your business.
Once a time in some nations, plenty